Right then, guys, so we are on GBPJPY. We'll just do a quick breakdown on this for you. So I'll start off by removing last week's drawing, so it's a nice clean chart. Right, daily bias in the, well, not daily, sorry, our higher time frame bias is hourly. So we are currently in a uptrend, same as 4 hour, same as our daily, sorry. So what you want to do is you want to start off by marking your most recent break of structure to the upside due to being in a uptrend. So simple break of structure, so you mark from that low all the way to that high. So there's your premium, there's your discount, and that's your equilibrium. So currently we're near equilibrium. We've made 2 equal lows down here in the hourly, so we'll be looking for that, either a breakthrough or a liquidity sweep potentially to buy back up. And then so we drop down into our 15-minute time frame. We mark out all liquidity points, fair value gaps, etc., etc. Equal highs here. So that's liquidity. To the left, there isn't much due to it mainly being taken. So to be honest with you, we'll probably wait for another breakthrough. A 15-minute, but okay, right, so we'll leave it at that. Got an order block here. Simple as this. So we've got our strong demand. This order block up here will be a weaker order block due to being in an uptrend, so it's more than likely going to disappear. However, this liquidity is also it's a stronger liquidity, but it's also weak due to being in an uptrend. So what you really want to look for is your lows and stuff like that being taken. I mean, we've got another fair value gap here, which is going to need to be taken. Just put it as a flip for more. That would have been a great entry point for this move here. I mean, you could have easily caught. Let's just use the right tool. Could have easily caught 60 pips. It's as simple as that. We've sought fair value all the way up to here. We're now on the pullback phase. It's looking a bit choppy, to be honest with you. So we won't be looking for a trade just yet. We'll wait for one of our points of interest to be hit. That supply. Absolutely smashed. So with my usual entry model, I would tap into this supply, wait for a bearish rejection off of it. It always has to retest the last supply or demand. It don't always have to, but that broke the most recent lows or highs. See how that retested? It's retested twice and made another 2 basically equal highs and dropped. So we've got a lot of liquidity sat above this zone here. So we can look for a liquidity sweep, or it could possibly break through. But we don't drop down to the 5-minute until we're entering. So what we've got going on here is we've got currently in consolidation. It's looking a bit messy at the moment, so I'll be waiting for a alert to hit at this fair value gap or demand and wait for entry model. However, if that doesn't happen by tomorrow, I mean it's 8:30 in the afternoon on a Monday right now, what I'll be doing is I'll record me marking out the Asian session in the morning and trading that again. It's always good to have a few models in your arsenal just in case one doesn't hit, but they need to be mastered. So that is our quick breakdown for today. There's not a lot going on, to be honest with you. We could easily mark up some other pairs. We'll keep it simple today with GJ. Just these areas marked up for now. Hope you guys enjoy this small breakdown. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.